This 2026 Venture RV Stratus SR282VFD is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Venture RV is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features a chestnut interior, sleeps 3, microwave, TV antenna, refrigerator, water heater, auxiliary battery, external shower, oven, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front dinette, front living area, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bedroom, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Venture RV Stratus SR282VFD is 7,220 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.